We are watching creators, freelancers, and entrepreneurs go from 0 to 10 lakhs per month or 0 to $10,000 per month in under 12 months. And not because they are geniuses, not because they worked harder, but because they learned the specific AI income skills the market is begging for. So if you are watching this, you are early, you are not behind, you are exactly where you need to be at the start of the biggest wealth shift of our generation. And in this video, I'm breaking down the 9 AI skills you must learn to build income, build freedom, and stay ahead of 99% of people sleepwalking into the future. If you are watching this 90-second version of this video on Instagram, the full in-depth breakdown is now live on YouTube. Click the link in my bio, and I promise you this will change the way you think about your future. Why this matters? Now, AI isn't taking jobs, right? People who know how to use AI are taking jobs. Automation is replacing old roles, but it is also creating entirely new high income skills that never existed before. AI is the greatest skill equalizer in history. You don't need a degree, you don't need a connection. You need only the right skills. And today I'm giving you the roadmap, the 9 AI skills that will make you rich in 2026. Skill number one, AI prompt engineering. Now, this is the gateway skill. And if you master prompting, you'll instantly become more powerful, more productive, more valuable than 95% of the people who use AI casually. Businesses need people who can turn AI into results, results in terms of high converting emails, app copies, content, research, strategies, customer support scripts. So prompt engineers today earn 40 per hour to $120 per hour. And this is just the beginning. Take a vague task like write a marketing email and turn it into a performance email with a structured, layered, multi-step prompt. And that's the power of prompt engineering. Skill number two, AI automation and workflow design. Now, this is where the serious money is. AI automation replaces 20 to 50 hours of manual work every week. And if you know how to connect AI tools, build workflows, use Zapier or Make, create autonomous systems, you become a revenue generating machine. Real life earnings kind of, that's how it is going to be. Automated lead gen. Probably they're earning $5,000, $20,000 per month. Automated customer support bots, $50,000 to 2 lakhs per bot. So this is what it is. Skill number three, AI video creation. Now, AI video will dominate 2026. Sora, Runaway, Paker, Mid-Journey videos. These tools allow anyone to create movie quality visuals. Businesses can keep up. Creators can keep up, but you can. If you can build faceless channels, ads, storyboards, short-form edits, AI-driven visuals, you are holding a six-figure skill in your hand. Skill number four, AI coding, no code development. Now, I don't have to be a programmer anymore. AI writes 70 to 90% the code for you. But people who understand basic logic, debugging, clean structure are making serious money. Example is, let's say, AI SaaS builders are creating apps and selling them for $10,000 to $50,000. Exit deals every month. It's happening. Skill number five is AI data analysis. Now, data is the new currency, but unstructured data is useless unless you can ask the right questions with AI. Companies need people who can analyze trends, predict customer behavior, visualize insights, make decisions faster. This skill alone unlocks analyst roles, freelance consultants, research contracts, corporate deals, and so on and so forth. Skill number six is AI content multiplications. Now, this is the superpower skill for creators and businesses, especially. And imagine taking one 10-minute video and turning it into a 30-minute reels, 10 charts, blog articles, email newsletter, capsule posts, script ideas, SEO content. Businesses will pay massive money for this. Agencies charge around 50,000 to 3 lakh per month per client just for content repurposing. Skill number seven is AI personal branding and influence. Now, in 2026, your identity is your greatest asset. AI helps you write, helps you edit, helps you script, plan, helps you post, helps you analyze. But you still bring the story, the personality, the positioning. Brands pay for influence, clients follow authority, and opportunities chase visibility. Skill number eight is AI sales and lead generation. Now, this is the highest income skill of all. AI can now find leads, qualify prospects, write outreach, create proposals, and follow up automatically. And this entire process can be automated. The people who learn AI powered sales will become the top 1% income earners in the new economy. Skill number nine, AI entrepreneurship and product creation. Now, this is where everything comes together. You can now build course templates, digital products, automation services, chatbots, SaaS tools, AI assisted business with no team, no office, no huge investment. 2026 will be the rise of AI powered solo entrepreneurs. The wealth equation for 2026, if you don't get rich by learning everything, you get rich by combining two, three complementary AI skills into a money making machine. Example, AI video plus branding plus content equals to somewhere around a lakh of per month for a creator. Automation plus lead gen, 3 to 5 lakh per month for an agency. Coding plus product creation equals SaaS income. The goal isn't to know everything. The goal is to be unstoppable at a few things. So your 30-day action plan, if you try to visualize, could be, and here's how you start today. Pick three of the skills from this video. Practice them for 1 hour per day using free tools. Build one portfolio project. Offer your services to three people for free. After your first results, start charging. Consistency beats geniuses. Action beats perfection. If you don't learn these skills in 2026, someone who understands AI will replace you. But if you do learn them, you will be unstoppable. If you found this valuable, ensure to hit subscribe because I'll be bringing down each of these nine skills in future videos with tools, workflows, and simple beginners friendly guides. This is your decade. This is your time. Let's build something powerful together. See you in the next video.